What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we are back with another Dogecoin video. So we have to follow what Dogecoin is doing. And like I said in my previous video, Dogecoin is reaching lower highs right now. As you can see, this right here, lower high right here, lower high, and it goes lower and lower and lower, and it's going down, down, and down because it is consolidating, which is actually good news. This is not bad news. It's good news because we already bottomed out. We already reached the bottom. We're just trying to find an area inside of this trend line where we can actually break out and actually, have a good uptrend going on. So when I did my video yesterday, we were around this point right here. And then I drew these circles saying that we would probably end up landing here, here. And then, I kept drawing more circles like right here. And the next one will probably be here. It usually has the same distance between every single circle here. It usually goes down by at least two of these little bars here. So yeah, this is just what Dogecoin is doing technically, on the technical analysis side, and I just like to follow this. But this is not the most important thing of the day, because we know we're going to break out of this trend line eventually. We know we're going to go up. It's just when are we going to finally get out of this downtrend? That is just what we're waiting for here with Dogecoin. But it's all cool. It's all good because we are consolidating. And if you look at where we were like a few days ago, and if you compare it to now, you can kind of see we are getting ready to break out of this trend line. We could possibly break it out like on this next new low right here, or new high, because the highs are becoming lower and lower. So it's the next new high, which would be down here. But honestly, if we ended up doing that and then breaking out, then that would be really cool. And like I said, June and July is going to be really good for Dogecoin. It's going to be really good for Dogecoin. And if you want to know why, just check out my videos for the previous videos. There's a lot of different reasons why June and July are going to be good, but just check them out previous video, and then you will find that out very quickly. But there's also more reasons why it will go up, up, and up. So let's keep on looking at those reasons. Look at this. Dogecoin is number 7 right here. Yes, we are number 7. XRP passed us, Cardano passed us, but we will pass them again eventually. And we were past Binance Coin too, but we will pass all of that eventually. We just gotta keep pushing hard here with Dogecoin. So yeah, Dogecoin at a $44 billion market cap, $2.5 billion traded in the last 24 hours. That's pretty good right now. And as you can see, Dogecoin is doing still good for the last 3 months. I've been looking at Dogecoin's chart every single day, and I like what I'm seeing right here. I like how it's consolidating, and I like how it's getting ready to try to break out of the trend line. We just have to continue to trade down for a little bit longer, so then we can find a good point to break out at. So that is what we're seeing there. And our Dogecoin whales are still here. Our Dogecoin whales are still, buying and selling a bunch of Dogecoin, doing a bunch of different transactions. These whales, they're manipulating the prices. Obviously, like we can definitely tell that. They're definitely manipulating prices here. They're buying high, selling low, buying high, selling low. A lot of these whales are doing that, but there's also a lot of whales that have got in Dogecoin that have never sold not one Dogecoin. Like this whale right here. This whale right here has never sold not one Dogecoin. We got in back in February and have been in Dogecoin ever since then. And yeah, this whale has not sold anything. Got in back at 7 cents here. 15 million Doge at 7 cents. That's just crazy. This person put in like $1.1 million, kept putting in more and more and more and more money as it kept going up, up, and up. So this is definitely a billionaire, because millionaires, they typically don't have $200 million to put into Dogecoin. That's kind of something a billionaire, that's a multi-billionaire. Like if you have $1 billion, you're not about to put 200 million of that into Dogecoin. Like if you have $10 billion now it doesn't really matter if you put 200 million Dogecoin, because you have 10 billion and you have it spread out into different investments. So this is one thing to look at when dealing with Dogecoin here. And then this wallet down here also has not sold either. There's a lot of Dogecoin whales that are just holding Dogecoin for the long term. Oh wait, wrong wallet. Where were you at? Over here. Okay, yeah, this one down here. This one right here did not sell yet. So yeah, this Dogecoin wallet right here came in with a huge purchase, one-time huge purchase at 41 cents. They bought 470 million Doge at 41 cents, and they're still holding it. That means that this is a billionaire that is confident that is going to go way above 54 cents. Because look, they bought 100 more at 54 cents. This is a billionaire that's confident that this is going to go way over 54 cents, right? So when this billionaire invested into Doge at 41 cents, they invested $193 million. $193 million. And then their money went all the way up to 257 million, and they held at 54 cents. They just held it, and then they bought more. And then now it's down. Now they're back down to 142 million, less than what they started. And look, they still haven't sold yet. They're still holding strong, and they bought in on over here on the 3rd of this month. So before all the Saturday Night Live stuff, they bought in. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. And looking over here, we have Dogecoin memes that was actually retweeted by the official Dogecoin page. They don't really post much on the official Dogecoin page. I don't know why. I feel like it would help Dogecoin a lot if the official Dogecoin page could actually post more about Dogecoin. That would help Dogecoin a lot, but it's whatever, I guess. But yeah, they have a Dogecoin, own a big Dogecoin company. Yeah, it's a pretty funny meme right here. But let's go over here and look. We have the Dogecoin to the moon trending right now on Twitter. So 110 tweets in the last hour. That's pretty good. Not as good as we want, but it could actually go up. We just need more people to, tweet, retweet about Dogecoin, all that. So yeah, Doge strong. Yeah, look at that. That looks nice. Dogecoin. And you have Dogecoin and Elon Musk. So yeah, Dogecoin is doing really good right now. Let's close all of this stuff up here. So Shibatoshi Nakamoto, the creator, the founder of Dogecoin, let's see what he has to say. He has been tweeting a lot of new stuff lately, and there's a lot of important stuff to think about. Look, this is something that he tweeted. He said, "I am excited to announce the rest of the first Wiggly Doge NFT collection. We had so much fun making these videos. Wiggly deal with it. Billy Marcus, etc., all bouncing along at 128 BPM, ready to groove." So yeah, this is the Dogecoin NFT collection that he's talking about here that they're selling. So yeah, this is the Wiggly Dogecoin NFT at 128 BPM, and yeah, this is the Dogecoin meme. So look, these are the NFTs that they're selling. It's kind of weird that they're selling it inside of Ethereum and they're not selling it inside of Doge. I mean, I guess because Ethereum maybe is just looked at as more stable, so I guess they're selling it through Ethereum. But I mean, that is what NFTs are, usually sold through Ethereum. But yeah, Dogecoin is going to the moon here. Look at all of these different NFTs that are being sold. That's a lot of money just for a little picture right there, just for a GIF. Like 2470 Ethereum. Like, just think, if Ethereum's at $2,500 right now, I believe Ethereum is at 2,500. Let me make sure. Okay, yeah, Ethereum's at 2,800 right now. So Ethereum at 2,801, and then this right over here is 2,470. So that's a lot. 2,801 times 24.70. So they're selling this NFT for $69,000. Wow. This NFT is $69,000. This is just crazy what people are doing with these NFTs. I mean, it's just crazy the amount of money that's flowing through these. I don't know who's actually buying these NFTs, because a regular normal person, working a normal job is not about to buy a $69,000 coin or a picture, $69,000 digital picture, or a GIF NFT. This is I wouldn't buy it myself, but I mean, to each your own. But anyway, I'm not insulting anyone that's gonna buy these NFTs. I mean, if you want to buy it, go ahead and buy it. I would never do it though. But look, this collab was again done with his good friend Super Shigi. So this girl, she's supposed to be making a Dogecoin music video, and they're gonna promote it together. So that's actually going to be really big for Dogecoin, the actual music video, and she has a pretty big fan base here, so she gets a lot of views too. So that is something to look at here. So that's another big catalyst for Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is really ran by the media, so that's a big catalyst for Dogecoin here. And then here is another thing that Shibatoshi Nakamoto retweeted, right? He tweeted, all right, so this says, "This is a 6-figure meme making job at a legit company." So this job right here is literally a 6-figure job at a meme company. That is pretty crazy. So it says, "No matter how silly your kids' interests seem, don't ever tell them they should give them up for a real job." And yeah, that is actually true. This is a Gitcoin meme artist / SHIT poster plus community manager. So literally, you can manage a meme token, a meme crypto. You can just manage a bunch of memes on social media and do some updates to the social media, I guess, and become a meme artist. Just making memes for Gitcoin, and you can make $120,000 a year just making memes for Gitcoin. I mean, that's huge right there. So yeah, definitely never tell a kid that his interests are silly. Never tell a kid that their interests are silly. That don't ever tell them that they should give up for a real job, because nowadays a real job is becoming a meme artist. A real job is literally posting posts on Twitter about memes. Like this is crazy, the world that we live in now. So not showing whatever that coin is, but I am qualified for this job. I would definitely apply for that job. I mean, that's a lot of money you could put all into Dogecoin. So yeah, that's really crazy. Another thing we have here, hey Snickers, can y'all do more Doge related things? Seems like sometimes the crypto community members get a little bit hangry. So yeah, Snickers, if you're feeling a little angry, have you a Snickers. They do need to make more Doge themes. I feel like they only did it for Doge Day 420 because they knew they could get a lot of attention with it, so they did it. But I think they should do it again, because they shouldn't just use Doge for one little marketing scheme. They should actually market Dogecoin and not just their own product with it. So look at this, Snickers Doge. Yeah, that happened. So I definitely want to see more Dogecoin Snickers, because more Dogecoin posts with Snickers would actually help Dogecoin a lot. Look at this. Maybe we should just Dogecoin to the moon. You see how they were talking about it a lot leading up to Saturday Night Live, and then they kind of stopped talking about it after Saturday Night Live. This was the day after, and then after that we didn't see anything else from them about Dogecoin. So we definitely need some more Dogecoin material from Snickers. And we already got Slim Jim with us. Slim Jim is hard and heavy on Dogecoin. Like Slim Jim 24/7 every single day talking about Dogecoin. Look, May 25th, they did this 2 days ago. Tsunami, T is silent, Honest, H is silent, Island, S is silent, Q, UE is silent, Doge haters are silent. Yeah, and this actually brings us to the next topic, which is the Dogecoin haters. I already showed you yesterday about how people were hating on Dogecoin on Elon Musk's tweets. They're pointing at his tweets and they're just straight up hating on Elon Musk for everything. Now we have more people hating on Dogecoin. Look, we always have people hating on Dogecoin. So look, legendary investor Stanley, whatever his name is, doesn't matter, said Dogecoin is a manifestation of the crazy monetary policy in history. The craziest monetary policy in history. In a recent interview, here are 8 of his best quotes. All right, so 8 of his best quotes, as they say. So among the many things billionaire investor Stanley, whatever his name is, believes in Dogecoin isn't one of them. So he doesn't believe in Dogecoin. That's sad for him. In a recent interview, The Hustle, the investor said he does not keep tabs with the developments surrounding the meme cryptocurrency, which started as a joke in 2013. I just tried and pretend Doge doesn't exist, he told The Hustle. I think so little of it doesn't even bother me when it goes up. This guy is such a pessimist. But look, let's keep going with this. Dogecoin has risen at a blistering pace, blah, blah, blah. They're just hating on Dogecoin here. Here are his best quotes on Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is just like NFT. It's a manifestation of the craziest monetary policy in history. And I think since there's no limit on supply, I don't really see the utility of Dogecoin right now. It's just the wave, money, blah, 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 blah. So there is a limit on supply. 5 billion every single year. That is the limit. Only 5 billion can be added every single year, unlike the US dollar, where they just added 25 billion US dollars last year. Like, come on, like, this is like common sense here. There is a limit on that. There's no limit on the US dollar. That's what he should be saying. But moving on from that, and then he said, on Bitcoin, I took my cost and then some out of it, and I still own some. So he owns Bitcoin, but he doesn't own Dogecoin. And this sounds a lot like the people that were hating on Elon Musk. It sounds just like them, actually. Let's go over there and see what we seen yesterday about all the people hating on Elon Musk about Dogecoin. So it sounds just like how those people did that. And then you got that funny meme there. Yeah, so these people hating on Elon Musk is just hating on him all over. Everyone had doubts that Elon Musk would be able to move Doge forward, blah, blah, blah. A lot of people hating on Elon Musk. Please do something about Doge. I am now living in a homeless shelter. I think these may actually be fake people, but I mean, it's hard to know. It's really hard to know because all they do is retweet stuff. They have a little bit of followers, but and then you see over here they have the Black Lives Matter link. I feel like, I don't know, look, this was made inside of 2017. So this was made in 2017. I just don't understand it because top capper. I just don't understand if this is actually, people actually hating on Doge, or if this is just people joking, or if this is people trying to get attention, maybe trying to get followers. I don't know. This is weird how people are doing Doge right now. Like, so much crazy stuff right now going on with Doge. I don't even know. But yeah, on Ether, he said, I'm a little more skeptical of whether it can hold its position. See, this guy is just, this guy's irrelevant. On the market's biggest risk, blah, blah, blah. This guy, he's what you want to call a bear inside of this market. He is definitely a bear. So only here for bulls. And then the Motley Fool, they always point these ridiculous, pointless articles. Like, whoever runs the Motley Fool just needs to shut it down. Look at this. The author, Sean Williams. The Motley Fool never does any good articles. Everybody knows this inside the investment world. Literally everybody knows this, that the Motley Fool is the most irrelevant, news article ever. Like, it's just completely irrelevant. Look at this. Forget about Dogecoin. These 3 stocks will make you rich. They literally make this same post every single day. They always say, forget about Dogecoin. Forget about Dogecoin. Do this, do that. And they're always talking about this type of stuff. And that's why I just don't trust the Motley Fool. They post the most ridiculous stuff, and I just don't get it. Dogecoin is up 20% in the last 20,000% in the last year or something, or like over time 20,000%. The S&P 500 up about 11%. Like, come on now. Like, I don't want to put down stocks and stuff because I still invest in stocks, but they're saying invest in these 3 stocks that will make you rich. Stocks don't make you rich. Stocks help your money to grow. That they don't make you rich. They help your money grow, and as you hold it over time for a long period of time, then it will make you wealthy. It will not make you rich. It will make you wealthy if you hold it for a long period of time, though. But no, stocks will not make you rich unless you're a really good day trader, and most people are not that at all. But what they're saying is Airbnb is a good stock, and they're saying the top stocks that can crush Dogecoin. Airbnb can't crush Dogecoin. It will never do 20,000% inside of 1 year. We know this. And Green Thumb Industries will never do 20,000% in 1 year. I do like Green Thumb Industries. They are OTC stocks, but they will never do 20,000% in a year. They will never do 20,000% in 10 years. They will never do 20,000% in 20 years. We know this to be a complete fact. Palo Alto Networks, they will never do 20,000% in 100 years. So this is just facts right here. So the Motley Fool, they just point out stupid stuff that just is irrelevant. So I don't even pay attention to them. But yeah, Slim Jim is always doing good things here at Doge. They always post and repost stuff about Doge. Do only good every day. All these Doge stuff with Slim Jim. Slim Jim is like one of our biggest supporters here. That's why I love Slim Jim. All they do is post Doge content. So Slim Jim is gonna be one of these things that just known in history for Dogecoin. They even have the website here leading to a Doge Slim Jim. So yeah, charity rocket stick for World Central Kitchen, Dogecoin Slim Jim. So yeah, get you a Dogecoin Slim Jim. But yeah, we have a lot of good things going on here in Dogecoin. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just me, just a little guy doing here little updates on Dogecoin. But yeah, we know lots of good things are going on here with Dogecoin. So look at this. This is our next big thing here. So peer-to-peer Dogecoin relay network based on Starlink. That is cool. That's what Satoshi Nakamoto said. He said cool AF. So you know what that means. Peer-to-peer Dogecoin relay network based on Starlink. All right. It says there exists several technical bottlenecks to scale proof of work blockchains. Some of them are CPU time of transaction validation, the hard disk space to store the chain, and many others. One of the most often overlooked bottlenecks is the communication latency and internet speed between miners. The slower the internet between the miner is, the less synchronized they become, and more the blockchain security degrades. That is the one fundamental reason why it's not trivial to scale Dogecoin or Bitcoin by simply increasing the block time frequency and the block size. You could find empirical results for blockchain network simulations here. So Dogecoin on Starlink. Now, one way to speed up a blockchain without any protocol change is to simply improve the network connectivity between the miners. This is where Starlink, the satellite-based internet from SpaceX, could help Dogecoin to be closer to the moon. Starlink latency between London and Singapore is expected to be much lower than current internet round-trip times. Starlink could hence speed up Dogecoin's block and transaction propagation, effectively scaling its blockchain substantially. So this is actually really big for Dogecoin. Really big news here for Dogecoin. Dogecoin on Starlink. So yeah, that is crazy right here, based on Starlink right now. So they said SpaceX could help Dogecoin to be closer to the moon. And remember, they're sending a Doge 1 space satellite to the moon, literally. And this is where Starlink, the satellite-based internet from SpaceX, could help Dogecoin. So yeah, satellite-based internet from SpaceX. That's what Starlink is. The satellite-based internet. So it's literally a satellite internet that is based for Dogecoin. Like, Dogecoin is about to go hard right now. This is where Starlink, the satellite-based internet from SpaceX, could help Dogecoin to be closer to the moon. This is the biggest takeaway that you should take from all of this. So we know there's big things happening with Dogecoin. We know Elon Musk is planning to send Dogecoin literally to the moon. We know he's literally planning to also send it to Mars, and we know he's planning to use that as the currency of Mars. So this is actually really, really, really crazy right now. Stuff going on here with Dogecoin. Thanks for indulging me. Back to silly tweets. He's thinking about Elon Musk. Yes, I am thinking about Elon Musk. That's a pretty funny meme there. So yeah, there's a lot of drama going on here. Look at this. Nothing will get you blocked and earn my disrespect faster than telling me what to do. I lived through it 8 years ago and took it all to the heart, trying to please everyone who wanted to get rich off me doing things for them for a little benefit of my own. Sorry, never again. So apologies for the email post. I am very upset with a portion of the community. Memes will come back shortly. Just getting off. Okay, so I guess he's going through some stuff. Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Dogecoin, people just trying to get rich off him, trying to get him to give them Dogecoins and stuff. But yeah, it's crazy, the stuff going on here with Dogecoin. But this is pretty much all we have here for Dogecoin. It's just a little update on what we are doing. And like I said, we are going to consolidate and continue to go down here and then end up breaking out of this trend line. Because you see, inside of this consolidation, inside of this trend line, like, we're kind of staying up here. Like, we're not trying. As you can see, the trend line is not trying to go down at all. Like, it's not trying to break out of here. It's like the lows are getting higher, the highs are getting lower, and now it's consolidating right here. So something big is about to happen. Either it jumps big or it drops big. Whatever happens, whichever one is more dominant. Either sell orders or buy orders are the more dominant one, and whichever one is more dominant, that is where we're going to go. As you can see, there are more sell orders at the moment. That's only because we're still consolidating, and then we're gonna go up there and then maybe do a little selling. And, just how it goes. It just trades sideways, and we kind of been doing that for a while here at Dogecoin ever since the 24th. Like, we just been kind of trading sideways. It was actually pretty good that we didn't just completely dip in one day. So the last thing I actually want to go over here is our Google trends, so we can make sure that we are still trending here on Google, because the media is the number one thing with Dogecoin. So looking up here on Dogecoin, you can see we are still pretty big in the media, but we're not as big as we used to be. But we are doing pretty good right now with Dogecoin. Dogecoin price prediction 2025. I would say our Dogecoin price prediction for 2025 would most likely be, I want to say let's say $10 by 2025. Dogecoin will definitely be at $10, possibly even $100 by 2025. And the way inflation has been going, possibly $100 by 2025, and $10 if it does not continue the way it's going. And yeah, that's just where we're gonna see Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin is going up. How to pronounce Dogecoin? You pronounce it Dogecoin, not Dogecoin. It's not Dogecoin, it's Dogecoin. I actually used to call it Dogecoin because I didn't know, but yeah, it's Dogecoin. So yeah, the future of Dogecoin holds a lot. How to invest in Dogecoin? You can invest in it through Robinhood. So check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and with Webull. You're going to get Dogecoin on Robinhood and Webull and crypto.com. There's also a link for that. So check out those links and sign up, get free stocks and free crypto, and then put that money into Dogecoin. Boom. That is like a hack right there. So yeah, lots of stuff going on. Where to buy Dogecoin? I just answered that. How much is Dogecoin worth right now? 33 cents. Dogecoin forecast, we are going to see $1 by the end of the year, $5 in 2022, and then by 2025 at least $10 to $100. So that is the Dogecoin forecast. The Dogecoin millionaire, I will be a Dogecoin millionaire in the future. The Dogecoin millionaire. But yeah, this is just a little update on Dogecoin. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.